So everyone, this is Kikimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang kay Ruel Carino na performance, actually this was January 31 pa. Pero wala man lang talaga kayo o hindi man lang talaga kayo nagbigay sa akin ng abiso na meron palang atake ang Ruel Carino ninyo sa Lipa, Batangas ng January 31. So I won't take any longer. Ruel Carino will sing the music played here, and then there's a video as well na merong walk away ata. So, dalawang video yung gagawa natin ng reaction video. Pero alam ko marami siyang kanta ditong kinanta eh. Hindi pwedeng wala akong Ruel Carino kasi meron akong Jerome Evardome. Baka may magselos. Walang selosan. Uy, na-miss ko si Ruel tuwing umaga talaga. Alam mo, alas 12 kasi sa Pilipinas, dito alas 7. Naka-ready talaga agad yan yung aking computer. Ino-on ko talaga yung isang monitor ko. Nakatingin talaga yan sa isang monitor ko. Sa Itbulaga, nanonood talaga ako. Kasi baka naman kumanta si Ruel doon and whatnot. Pero wala, dear. Wala talaga. Anyways, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, bakit kinikilig si ate girl? Bunso, kita mo na yan! Bunso kami din! Charis! Kung linapitan mo yung bunso, dapat kami din. Diba? Silosa. Okay. The music play. Gabi yung vibrato niya. Okay. Grabe yung low notes niya. Love it. Love the low notes. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Tama ba to? Charis, ba't parang kinikilig tayo? Oh, the transition. Ay, parang poetic na siya, no? He is a storyteller indeed. Parang nagiging poetic na siya. Shout out kay Gabriela Nika Monique. Sa kanya to ang video na to, ha? Thank you. Nagiging poetic na siya. Okay. Grabe yung vibrato niya talaga. Ay, yes! May pag-ganyan-ganyan ka na? Yung kanyang facial expression, natatawa ako. Sino si... Ma'am niya yun. Ay, hindi. Wow. Wow. Okay. Is he having something like may ano siya? Masama pakiramdam niya? Anyways, gawan pa natin ng reaction video yung isa pa niyang kanta, Walk Away. Ay, wait. May emotion talaga siya pag kumakanta. Na emotion, tingnan niyo. Okay. Eto na, favorite part ko. Pag may hinihit siyang high notes, gustong gusto ko talaga. Okay. Okay.
My tears will fall now that you're gone. I can't help but cry, but I must go on. I'm sad that after searching so long, knew I loved you, but told you. Walk away, walk
Hala, parang iba yung emotion dito ni Bunso. Parang ramdam na ramdam yung pagkakakanta niya. Mesmerize nga ako sa kanya eh. Meron pang isa, wait ha. Ito. A love to last a lifetime.
doing what we can do in our lifetime.
Ay?
Have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make.
Parang iba siya dito, ma'am. Cheers.
As for me, there's only
Wow.
and that's to love you, my love, with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools,
Okay.
sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts would take wings like
First time ko itong marinig na kanta. Ay, hindi.
life. We'll take each day as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for tomorrow. As for me, oh my days
Parang iba si Bunso dito ngayon. Ay, sus ah.
loving you with love to last a lifetime. Gonna shout.
Okay.
If we all could leave something lasting behind to be remembered by.
Hindi namin memorize. Ay,
Alam mo, rakista ako, kakakanta mo.
It's not so much
alam mo yung nakista ko, papakanta ko.
we use what we have in our lifetime. 30 years is worth 102. It's really what we can do in our lifetime. Oh my love, I would give
Ay, ang ganda ng kantang to sa kanya.
for as long as I may live, with a love, true love to last a
A lifetime. Okay. Alright. Falsetto niya. Anyways, that is our for today's video from the Well Carino in Lipa, Batangas. This is KJ Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!